Already. I'm here sa labas namin kasi dito kami matutulog sa labas. Why? Because I love the cold. And and it's our night vlog today. I know nothing could Sorry about that. I know nothing could matter. Gotta wish something matter to you. Sorry. Ahem. I know nothing could matter. Gotta wish something matter to you. I take my pride down here for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill, and I'll take tonight, and Diane is ill, and I always will. Lang sasayaw ako.
PLDT kasi, si Aurora ang kanyang Alvin ko lang.
Tapos mamayang, maybe tomorrow morning is papakita ko kayo paano ko maligo. Joke. That's my morning routine. First is yung putik. Maliligo ako dito sa may labas. Diba di ako nakikita? Kasi nandun sa may taas, oh. Tapos this is my closet. Ito. Basta ito. Tapos ito yung bedding namin. Totally, ito talaga yung bed namin. Well, hindi yun talaga sila makikita because it's too dark outside na here. So, goodbye. Bukas ko na lang itutuloy yung morning routine ko. Goodbye, guys. Subscribe there. Yeah, because I'm just new here. Love you guys.